great. It's gonna be wonderful. Everybody's gonna love you.
What's your name?
My name is Travis Pratt.
Travis, where are you from?
Tifton, Georgia.
What you gonna do for us today?
I'm gonna sing for you today. My entire life. I wanted to be a singer, but it's tough because you have got to silence the voice in your head that is saying you can't. So I'm here today because my girlfriend put me up to it, honestly. She's my rock. She's my encouragement. I wouldn't trade her for anything. Wish me luck from afar.
Yes.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, go for it.
Singing gave me the ability to dream. And I'm here to show people that if I can do it, that they can too.
Hello.
Hello.
So, what is your name?
My name is Travis Pratt.
And where are you from?
I'm from Tifton, Georgia.
So, tell us what you're going to do.
I'm going to sing for you tonight a song that my girlfriend loves. She put me up to it, and hope you like it.
Good luck.
Come on, that was good. Good for you.
I gotta... Wait. I gotta ask, were you lip syncing?
No, sir. No,
That
sir.
was you hitting those notes?
All day.
All day.
You didn't swallow Jackie Ivanko, did you? Howard?
Well, let me say something. This is the most outrageous audition I have ever seen. And I mean this in the kindest way, sir. You are a freak, but I mean it like in a good way.
Heidi?
You are a superstar in my eyes. I think you have an amazing voice.
Thank you so much.
Mel?
It was perfection. Good on you.
So is this a song that you always sing?
And this is a song I sing around the house. My girlfriend, she had to push me up to it. Honestly, Howie, I would never, ever have gotten up here and sang like that.
Really? Where is she?
She's right here on the front row. That's her right there.
Where is she? Is that you? Come here. Come on up. Go on up.
That's my baby.
Let me talk to her. So you heard him do this?
Yeah, he sings to me all the time.
And you talked him into coming here tonight and doing this?
Yeah, don't you think everybody should hear
Yes.
this?
How long have you guys been going out?
Will be 5 years.
So you have a very special lady who saw something special in you and brought it to all of America. That's a smart move, young lady.
Actually, Howie,
What?
you're right, and I have something to say to her. I have loved you from the very first moment I laid eyes on you. Will you marry me?
Yes!
you for sharing, you know, this moment with the nation and your love with us. And we want to share our love of what you do with one giant yes.